Good morning, Professor Murli Darshan. So, as discussed just now over the phone, I am elaborating the action plan that is required to start our BAAP, that is your Bahujan Asta Asha Party. So, what we are trying to do is first, what is the vision? The first step, the vision is to empower, educate, and enhance the quality of life of all BC, SC, and STs. That is the vision. What is the mission? The mission is to clearly state that in the coming elections and as well as in the coming years to come, the BAA, now I will definitely say to be addressed as BAP party. The BAP party will implement its vision and mission. The mission being that in the any seat of power in any state and central government organization, where there is a majority of that particular community, will only that particular person will be sitting in the seat of power, irrespective of any organization or any seat that has to be constitutionally, you know, uh, held. So we have to see that the entire reservations has to be implemented correctly, and there should not be any misuse of reservations that has been done. So please let us have very clear, clear-cut mission that we would like to empower, educate, enhance the quality of life of BC, SC, and STs. We need to educate them and we need to get ourselves educated through them, learn, empower them financially, academically, make them assertive, and see that all of them, especially BC, SC, and ST, are all working unitedly. And here we respect the people from all the other communities also. But since the majority of this Indian population being BC, SC, and STs, it is time they sit in the seat of power, not to be used as a vote bank, not to be used as a vote bank by all the other forward caste communities. Now, coming to the reservation perspective point of view, there have been lots of people who are against it and who don't want it to be implemented, who want it to be eliminated. So, I would like to remind them whatever is in the constitution, we are following the constitution. Definitely, the first thing I would like to say is we need to empower people who are economically backward, financially backward totally. They need to be empowered. And here there might be so many of people who are belonging to forward castes also who are in an economically backward section. So all those people, there are so many families who are from IAS and IPS and other bureaucratic services who have already utilized the SC, ST, BC reservations to the hilt. It's time the first generation, if they have used it, they should not, allow them to be used for their next generation because economically you have reached above a status economic level. So my humble request to all the fellow BC, SC, and ST brothers and sisters is, if you have utilized already the reservations for the next generation, kindly do not utilize it. And for those who have not utilized, it is important that you need to understand the importance of the reservations given by our great Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji, and we need to understand and uplift all the rural India, especially where there's still untouchability is going on, still the caste-based domination by the people who are from upper caste is still going on. So we need to understand, and we are not in conflict with any of the upper caste people. It is most of the upper caste people also genuinely they support saying that yes, this kind of humiliation and the domination kind of a thing should not happen. So we at the BAP party strongly believe that there should not be, we are not going to allow any further domination by the upper caste. We are very, very clear on that. And we are going to take the 75 years of Indian independence is coming. And still, if you go to just 25, 30 kilometers away from any metro to any rural area, hinterland, still this caste domination prevails. People, the students, the youth, the unemployed who are from this community are being the marginalized community. are still being deprived of their genuine rights. So, following the ideals of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Jyotirbai Phule, Gandhiji, respecting the Indian Constitution, we at the BAP Party would like to implement and empower everyone to come together. And we are definitely going to be friends with every community. But somebody is going to sit in the seat of power. It can be PM, it can be CM, it can be Chief Secretary, State Secretary, DGP, you name it. In any governmental organization, the first preference has to be given to BC and SC and STs. Definitely, as per the constitutional rules. We are not asking to forego any constitutional rules. We have to follow the constitution in its true spirit. In its true spirit. That is why we request all the people who are watching this message, if you are really serious, you want to come together, myself, Mr. Ashwin, and Professor Murli Darshan, we are initiating a new movement. That movement is called Bahujan Asta Asha Party. When we say Bahujan Asta or Asha Party, that is, we need to come together as one. And one important point, my humble request to all those people who are getting converted to different religions, and especially from SC and ST community. Please understand, my dear brothers and sisters, you will have got lots of benefits being told as an SC, ST Hindu. Once you get converted to some other religion, you will lose all your rights. You will lose all your benefits given by our constitution, given by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar and team. So my humble request is kindly do not get converted to any other religion because constitution only recognizes SC Hindu, ST Hindu. The moment you get converted, you lose the entire percentage of reservations, and obviously that percentage of jobs that has to come to the genuinely to you, SC and ST brothers, it goes off to others. So we should have proper unity amongst ourselves, understand each other, and especially when the entire electoral voting constituencies is divided based on caste, we need to empower our women first. Because once a mother is educated, the entire family is educated, the nation is educated. So I humbly request all the BC, SC, ST mothers and women folk to take this message very seriously. Come, let us start a movement. And please remember, when you are talking of political power, we need to sit in the chair of power. And power is always discussed, talked, and negotiated between equals. By virtue of population, we are in majority. BC, SC, STs are in majority. So it is time all of us should assert ourselves politically such that tomorrow in any seat of power, in any decision making seat of power, it is the BC, SC, and STs have to be there. We definitely respect the upper caste too, but policy decision makers is best left to BC, SC, and STs because that is the majority. We know what our problems are. So let us come together and start this movement called Bahujan Asta Asha Party. We welcome all and in all our functioning of our body and the members. It is be headed by Professor Murli Darshan and I'll be supporting him in all the matters concerned. And definitely we are going to strengthen our legal team also. And we are going to follow the due diligence of the Indian Constitution sincerely in true spirit. And we would like and we are inviting people to come genuinely to be associated with our cause. If you are a BC, SC, and ST and you are seeing this message, please share it with others. How we are going to go about what we are going to do, that is, please leave it to us. We require people who genuinely want to believe in this cause. We should believe in this mission. Our mission is to strengthen India, especially the rural India, to see that the discrimination for BC, SC, STs are gone. And they are treated with a lot of respect. Yes, there are cases coming from across the country that a lot of people are misusing and abusing reservations. It's time to stop that also. So kindly, my dear friends, my dear Indians, if you are watching this video, you are really serious, kindly contact Professor Murli Darshan for any kind of discussion, any kind of talks that you would like to have, how you would like to be associated, because we need a huge team we are planning for across South India. We need team in finance department, legal department, marketing department, digital media department, print and media department, all the people who are definitely who are from BC, SC and STs, kindly associate with us. We'll have a discussion. You'll understand us, we'll understand you. Let us strengthen the cause. That is important. So we want to form this organization, BAAP, BAP. We're all BAP team. We are going to work as one team. And in this team, let me state it very clear, the final decisions will rest with Professor Murli Darshan and me. We will see who are the people who need to be associated with us and who are genuinely believing in this cause. And we have got clearly defined preset membership rules for our party also. And it is not going to be IRM, GIRM parties also. We are going to be unique. We are going to strengthen our family members of BC, SC, ST communities. I hope you are taking this very seriously. So kindly get in touch with Professor Darshan and he will educate you and he's going to conduct lots of training programs and classes across India on the importance of why BC, SC, STs should come and sit in the seat of power. And all those upper castes who are still watching this video, I would say it's time. 75 years, we have seen the rulings. And we are not saying it's bad or good, but we are saying we need the BC, SC, ST communities have to come and sit in the seat of power. Jai Hind.